Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious lasagna poblana roll-ups. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, we're going to begin by cooking our chicken. Here I already have my water boiling, so I'm going to be adding about 2 pounds of chicken breast. Into that we're also going to add 2 bay leaves and a half an onion. So we're just going to wait for it to come to a boil again. Once the chicken has come to a boil, we're going to remove all of the foam on top of our broth. Okay, so once we remove all of that, we're going to add salt, garlic salt, and chicken bouillon. Just mix it. We're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 25 minutes at medium heat. Okay, after 25 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken. And in the same water, we're going to be boiling our pasta. Now these are oven ready and no boiling is required, but because we're going to be rolling them, we want them to be flexible. So we're just going to be boiling for about 3 minutes. So just make sure that they don't stick to each other. Okay guys, so after 3 minutes, we're going to remove our pasta. And we're just going to separate them on our baking sheet, just so like that they don't stick to each other. Okay, so once we remove our pasta from the water, now we're going to reserve 1.5 cups of our broth. This is what's going to be used for our poblano sauce. Okay, so once we have that, now we can get ready to make our sauce. To make our sauce, to our blender cup, we're going to be adding 1 roasted and peeled poblano, 3 green peppers, roasted and peeled as well. And I'm also going to be adding 2 chiles serranos, just because we want it to be a little spicy. We're going to add a handful of cilantro, a quarter of a small white onion roasted, 2 garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, along with 4 teaspoons of cream cheese, 1 cup of crema mexicana, or you can use sour cream and milk, and 1.5 cups of our broth. Okay, so now we're just going to blend into smooth. Okay, so once we have our sauce, we're going to set it to the side and get ready to shred our chicken. Okay, so just begin to shred the chicken. Alrighty, so once we have our chicken all nicely shredded, now we are ready to put our filling together. Okay, to the same pot, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of butter, along with a little bit of olive oil. And we're just going to allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts, we're going to add sliced onion. We're going to saute for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add 1 chile poblano, roasted, peeled, and chopped, along with 1 calabacita, some mushrooms, and corn. We're going to be giving it another 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're going to add 2 minced garlic cloves. So just mix it. And now we can add our shredded chicken. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Okay, so we're just going to mix it, give it a couple minutes, and then our filling is done. Okay, and once we have our filling, now we are ready to make our lasagna roll-ups. Okay, at this point, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to grab our baking dish and spray it with some nonstick cookie spray. Add some of the sauce. Okay, so set it to the side. Now we're going to grab our pasta. I'm going to be adding some queso Oaxaca. Going to grab our filling and roll. Just like that. And once we have it, we're going to place it on our baking dish and repeat the process. Okay, so once we have our roll-ups, we're going to cover it with the sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to top it with some cheese. Make sure you add a good amount. Okay, so now we're going to place it in our oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese melts. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes of baking, and I also put it 5 minutes in broil, now we're going to give it a couple minutes before getting ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and after 5 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, serving. So scoop your lasagna rolls, serve, and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make and very delicious, so flavorful. And of course, if you don't want to use lasagna, you can always use tortillas, like a pastel azteca. But let me tell you that this is seriously super delicious. So cheers and enjoy. The combination of everything is just perfect. And it's a little spicy, but I did use the chile serranos for that. And so if you don't want it to be spicy, don't add them. But this is seriously super delicious. And just like that. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious lasagna poblana roll-ups. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.